In this video, I'm going to show you how to view paid games on itch.io in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to browse premium indie games, explore paid titles, or filter the catalog so you only see games that cost money. It's a quick process, and once you know where to look, you can do it in seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, you'll see the main marketplace where thousands of games, tools, and creative projects are listed. If you're on the homepage, you can browse normally, but to find paid games faster, you'll want to use the filter options. Look at the left side menu in the search or results area. This is where itch.io lets you narrow down what you're seeing based on different categories, like tags, genre, and price. Now scroll or look through the left menu until you find the price section. Under that section, you should see an option labeled Paid. Click Paid to apply the filter. As soon as you do that, itch.io will update the results and show you only the games that are listed as paid. That means free games and free demos will be hidden from view, making it much easier to focus on premium content. This is especially helpful if you're searching for games to purchase, comparing different paid indie titles, or just trying to browse by price more efficiently. If you don't see the results change right away, give the page a second to refresh and make sure the filter is actually selected. You can also combine this with other filters if you want to narrow things down even more, like by genre, platform, or tags. That way, you can find the exact kind of paid game you're looking for without scrolling through unrelated listings. And that's really all there is to it. Open itch.io, go to the left menu, find the price section, and click Paid. In just a moment, you'll have a filtered list of paid games ready to explore. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.